all nursing oko nursing colleges ewo my Ghana mu a omo ebie admissions aye interviews awie a omo frefre eye adesuafo a qualify here to be going to the various nursing colleges. Na school way St. Patrick
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
St. Patrick Nursing Training College. Ewo offenso. Na mesramo principal no ewo ho a muni kanchia ne mame. Na ebzafo the various schools are echo nkwala abie a report ni ade ya investigation at the various nursing colleges ewo Ghana ha ya tikroma na ye bo corruption politicians corrupt we nom say ebsafo all the nursing colleges scandals are echo but a dangerous issue me pese this week a dad radar so St. Patrick offenso na allegations any dossier of document you kura no the jai hwi krom ha abusafo the entire offense ne Asante region ahwa e kuro no bebo. I don't want to believe send document ayanya any nhwehwemu ayaye for the last 6 months to almost a year ni no nokre principal anopay was St. Patrick obi a wutie bia kacha ne se Kofi Asante se nhwehwemu ayehu ne niam ayaye no ye bompa ye se enye nokre allegations ne sa niam bia appear document say enye nokre we pray say enye nokre and we want to believe say dodo na no enye nokre na nokre dia e dangerous and I forward the video no kakra na anopay ye benya daje na St. Patrick beto and I tried calling the headmistress the principal on several occasions until Peke who stormed the school oba was St. Patrick offense you should be concerned about this story whole of this week mobiana ye benya daje na obi nkankyere principal ne sa no pe mechia no medi de Aduanaba Kofi Asante Ennin aduanani de hye me de mensani fa hwe abenkwan hwehwemu ayaye for the last 6 months to 1 year e was St. Patrick no St. Patrick Nursing Training College e wo offenso mibo na eyedan na vigilation kwa ye je 1,000 Ghana cedis. Ye we are some 200 Ghana cedis emeka ho. Enkwala more than almost 1,000. About 800 and over do 1,000. Invigilation kwa 1,000 Ghana cedis. And so yen some for 200 cedis emeka ho. Mebo na KNUST affiliation mo yen invigilation moje over 1,000. There be we are the our offenso Nursing Training College St. Patrick Monchia mo principal na mame Monchia the baba no nso mame Monchia ni nua bema bana or school manage the printing press and say me manache. In fact, everybody good morning. I was St. Patrick. I will end here. Now I will return and throw my bomb at the right time. This week, Kumasi birthday. This week, Ghana birthday. This week, Chrome Habeye Pinso. Hey! Adebo! Hey! Ghana oh. Me say Chrome Wave. Yani I say Ukraine. Ghana be na che. And then I've just realized this. Because any position that will be a nyano, we try to take advantage. Our politicians are just not corrupt. No. We are Ghana near su. We are Ghana near Diaro. In fact, we are Ghana near. Tell yourself, say, oh man, just said the next 3 generations to come. Na ebi or maybe we are pretending. We are all pretenders. Ghana, we are all pretenders.
Akoma FM.
Di yaw.
87.9.
And maybe our expected say ade member ade. Some women would do it in a very, very, very simple style. I'll come back later to St. Patrick. But we've been in principle and I can't and say, I bus school about 3 times. Now officially, I'll report myself to her. They are translating Komo. Niama Ekoso, the school has a very nice picture. And you school now casa campus in the video, mame. St. Patrick, Ewa Finso. Nursing Training College. Na Ghana Nibia. Yeah, just push. A whole lot of issues and a Ekoso. Now, the worrying aspect of this discussion, you know, and I say, Mebo, I want to ask, nka mi jai story we akokejetia, but me ya na me home e push me, say Kofi, ask these questions, and these are explosive and very, very explosive questions. Oh my God. Saint Patrick. Saint. Okay. Pater Noster. Aquasiado. Aquasiado. Okay. Scrap uniforms. Madasa Ventures. Blessed Regiment Ventures. Blessed Regiment Ventures. Oh no. Okay. And 3,716,457,000 Ghana cedis. Oh, hell no. Okay. Anopay mamima, a very nice gentleman. Obinchia a brother Theophilus Lumo. Obinchia no emanachi emisasa mesene honte saying. I just want to know how he's doing. Theophilus Lumo. My brother Theophilus. Theophilus Lumo, good morning. Obinchia Susie Sednam Randolph Emame Ewo Nina Ewo St. Patrick. These people, I just want to greet them and say how they are doing. Ave Maria Secretariat Service. And I'll pay good morning. All workers over there. Na Obi Kanchre St. Patrick. Headmaster said, when you miss call. When you miss call. Come on. And I believe, sir, no, yeah. And I'll pay good morning. Ghana niya utie me. Now, when you say the Lord's Prayer, na obene and dibia, me pacho pray some for Ghana. I want to believe you are good, and I am very good. And I'll pay me pacho. So this is St. Patrick Hospital. St. Patrick College, Nelson College, Ewa Offenso. It's a very nice campus. Very nice campus. The Archbishop of Catholic Diocese, Kumasi, good morning. More petition be on him. Trad, more petition be on him. Office of the Special Prosecutor, more petition be on him. And Tiana pay me chiamunina. And all these issues we will interrogate it. Afei Enramen Saka official statement from Kejetia.